Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the cart discount widget, a simple yet powerful feature that allows customers to enter discount codes directly in their cart drawer. It's a great way to make the shopping experience smoother and encourage customers to complete their purchase. Accessing the widget. To access the cart discount widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, select Cart Drawer, then go to Cart Preferences and choose Cart Discount. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Free Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Preferences, Cart Discount. Here, you can customize all settings. Label icon. Choose an icon to display beside your cart discount label. Example, local offer. Input label. Edit the title shown to customers. Example, cart discount. Button icon. Choose an icon to display beside your apply button. Example, arrow forward. Input placeholder text. Customize the placeholder text shown to customers. Example, enter a discount code here. Open by default. Enable this option to have the cart discount widget open by default when customers view their cart. Disable it to keep the section collapsed until they choose to open it. And that's it. Your cart discount widget is now all set up and ready to use. Now your customers can conveniently apply discount codes right from their cart, helping them save time and boosting your conversions. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.